Alcohol-based hand rub products can be used to perform hand hygiene when your hands are visibly clean. The process of performing hand rub should take 20 to 30 seconds. A palmful of product should be applied to a cupped hand, sufficient to cover all surfaces. Hands should be rubbed palm to palm. Rub your right palm over the back of your left hand with interlaced fingers, and vice versa. Rub palm to palm with your fingers interlaced. Rub the backs of your fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Perform rotational rubbing of the left thumb clasped in the right palm, and vice versa. Rub clasped fingers of your right hand in a rotational manner in your left palm, and vice versa. Once dry, your hands are safe and clean. Save lives. Clean your hands. Help prevent the spread of COVID-19.